This is the thing that I learned. Apparently this is a ball dance. Very fucking gay.
Yes, it is. Your tail dances with you. You haven't noticed.
Yeah.
Tail up. oh, oh, oh my god. Oh my god. What? Where the fuck did you get that from?
From a quest.
Oh my god. Can I do it? It looks so rude. Oh my god. I love you, honey, but the tail up and tail up. Must be very prissy cat to make your tail up when you dance. Oh, I'm too fucking tired for this shit. I gotta get a checkpoint and go to bed. Ugh. Somewhere over here. It looks like somewhere over there. Wait a minute. Nope. Nope. Back to the work. Get downstairs. See? Yawning cat. You are sleepy too.
Oh, go eat shit, sweetie.
So, I did that pretty nice. Everybody on Twitch can come back and watch this stream later. Yes. But right now, you know, bed. See?
Yeah, I know. I need like 40k more experience and I'm level 20. But I'm so tired.
This one melee, shield shitty. Nope.
And apparently I need to go speak to someone, start riding airships around.
That's automatic options. Okay.